doing?
Making dinner.
Oh. And what is today's recipe?
Broccoli mac and cheese.
Broccoli mac and cheese. Oh, very good.
I chop my own.
What are you doing now?
Cooking the bacon. The cheese types of
How do you know when your bacon is done?
It's brown and it looks like something I would eat. And it's crispy. It's not crispy.
Say it smells good.
It smells good.
Oh, and what is this? What is in this mixture?
There is milk, flour, thyme, Worcestershire sauce, and Dijon mustard. Yeah, that's it. Oh, and salt. Yeah.
Flour.
I said flour.
Oh my. Is it done enough that you can crumple it up?
I don't know what to think about. Yeah.
Megan or Maddie?
Yeah.
Hey,
So
what are you doing?
I turned off after it was cooked. I started breaking it into little pieces.
Very good. What do they always say? What?
What?
It smells real good.
It smells good.
Now what?
Then I'm gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of butter, and then just mix it around.
You have to turn on the heat.
Yeah, turn on the heat. Here, I would use this. Is that a tablespoon and a half? Okay.
Accurate.
You gotta watch because it'll splatter. So I turn the heat down a little bit for you.
So then you're gonna add the mixture.
Uh-huh.
Which I might splatter a little bit faster.
Careful, careful. Not too hard. Go ahead, you're doing good. Right here. What you need to do. So there's still a little bit of like the flour and stuff. Yep. Perfect.
Stir that a little bit. Why am I using this?
No, use your wooden spoon. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Gentle. Let it cook for a minute or two.
You don't say bam.
What?
Everyone will say bam.
No.
Can I put some biscuits in there?
Cheese. And you're gonna stir that around a little bit.
Oh. Okay. You didn't read the. It's okay.
You told me to put it in.
Now we'll make it work. It's all good. It's all good. Just turn up the heat a little bit.
What?
It's all good.
What? What did you add? Your elbow macaroni.
Ooh,
Okay, hold on.
This way it's sticky right now.
Here, it's sticky, so let's do this. Here, can I?
Yeah.
No, you can help. It's better if you go just a little at a time because it's sticky. Here. okay.
Okay.
That's probably good. That can be yours.
Let's see, Maddie.
Hey, Megan.
What is this called again?
Broccoli mac and cheese.